On this lesson, we're going to actually begin working on our map illustration. So first thing I want to do is create the island of Manhattan. So to do that, first I'm going to set up my workspace as I like it. So I'm going to go here to the Tools panel, and probably by default you're going to see this rectangle tool. And if I click and hold that click, you're going to see the rest of the shape tools. And if I click here on this little triangle, I can make this window float around. And one thing that I really like to do is to place this window here near my canvas, so I can be sure that I can access all these tools, even the ones that doesn't have a shortcut, in a very easy way. And now I'm going to begin making the outline for the island, of Manhattan. So I'm going to go to the pen tool by clicking here or pressing P on my keyboard, and then I'm going to make a shape that kind of resembles this one. But of course this is going to be a little bit abstract to say it in a way, so I want to make something that is around something like this. So it looks kind of what I had. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake there. And if you see, I'm just placing points and not really doing curves or something like that. And now what I want to do is to actually round some of these corners, and to do that I'm gonna go here to my tools panel and select the direct selection tool or press A on my keyboard. And what I want to do is round these corners, so I'm gonna select both of them and then round them a bit so they have this nice curvature. And then I'm going to do that again for this curve, so I'm gonna round it a bit, probably just like that, not too much. Then I'm going to go to these two corners and round them a bit. Go here to the bottom corners and round them all the way up, because this is this small part here on the island. Then I'm going to select again this corner, round it a bit, and you can do it as I am doing it by eye, or you can select the corners here and input a number here on top, or you can change them. But I think that you can do it better if you do it like this, or at least it is a way that I think it works better for me. So right now I have this main part that is New York, and what you can do right now is probably move it to be around here, for example. And I will need to make another, you remember that I'm going to be building the Statue of Liberty, so I want to make an island here and maybe another one here that looks kind of the Ellis Island. So I'm gonna go here, and what I want to do is go again to my pen tool and make a point here. Then you can notice that I'm pressing shift while I'm clicking, so I make straight lines. And this is something that I like to do a lot, because for the case of also for this illustration I don't want to make something that is too complex, because these shapes only have to look a little bit like this, and really this is more of the style that I am kind of looking for right now. So I'm gonna do it like this, and again you can go to the direct selection tool here or press A on your keyboard, and then also you can move your points around. Like for example, if you don't like something because you think this is not working quite well, you can always select the individual anchor points and move them around until you find a shape that you like. So I kind of wanted shapes like those, so I want to select both of them and then go here to my direct selection tool, and that way I have selected all the anchor points and then round them all the way, so I get these shapes that I think they look okay. So these are going to be the shapes that are going to be containing the rest of our elements, and on the next class we're going to keep working on a background and on give it some color and depth to this illustration. So see you on the next one.